side lifts. So side lifts, I'm going to show you two exercises. One is actually more of a beginner, but I do think it's better to do these when you're a bit stronger. So have your knees towards the front of the mat and your feet are tucked in under the bum. And then you have your elbow underneath your shoulder. So just be aware of sinking into the shoulder. So you don't want that there. You want to be pushing out of that, and your hand is forward. So from here, you can have your hand there or to the front. I kind of prefer it here. I think if you're needing to put your hand on the floor, then you shouldn't really be doing this. So put your hand onto the side of the hip. So you're going to have a breath in, and as you exhale, I want you to think of lifting the hips up towards the ceiling. And you squeeze all these muscles underneath there and on the side of the bum cheek, and relax down. We'll do one more. Breath in.
Will we?
Exhale up. So notice how Paul's neck is nice and straight as well. Often people's heads are lying down like this, or they're looking down towards their knees. So the next one, which is the actual level 2, is you're going to take your top leg straight and keep your bottom leg bent. So it just takes it up a little bit, but the rest of the exercise is exactly the same. So you take a breath in, squeeze these muscles on the bottom side of the body and lift the hips up to get you in a nice straight line. And then exhale as you come down. So that is side lifts. It's really good for working these side obliques and the bottom muscles and the bum cheeks over there. Again, just be careful of that shoulder. You don't want that shoulder sinking in. Lovely. Thank you, Paul.